guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a super review on Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Sandalwood 50 plus SPF UVA UVB sunscreen ultra soothing face lotion for all skin types. Oh my god, it's such a big name. But the tube is not very big, it's like this much because it's a 50-gram tube, and the price is also very cheap. It is 200 rupees, which is actually very cheap for a sunscreen with SPF 50. You don't usually get a sunscreen with SPF 50 at 200 rupees, so that's kind of good. Again, the ingredient list is also very good, because we know that ingredients are the most important part of a skincare product, whichever skincare product it is. So the ingredient list is actually white sandalwood, winterberry, naga kesar flower, madhu, then bee wax, sunflower. So these are all pure natural ingredient. We all know it, guys. So natural ingredients are not very bad. It's actually good. Not very bad. I mean, it's actually good. Yeah. So natural ingredients is actually a plus point for this sunscreen. One more thing is that it is SPF 50. So guys, we live in India and India has a lot of sun rays. So SPF 50 is actually kind of good for our skin. I actually like to apply SPF 50 a lot. So coming on to the skin type, if you are combination skin like me, I am a combination skin, so it's kind of good for me that yes, I can use it because it's for combination skin. But for oily skin, I don't think so oily skin can use it because it's way too oily. It will be way too oily for oily skin, and for a dry skin, I think it is pretty good for a dry skin. So coming on to the skin type, combination skin, a tick mark; dry skin, a tick mark. But a combination skin, but for a oily skin, I don't think so, a cross mark for oily skin, because it will be too oily. And one more thing, guys, whenever I apply it on my face, it feels like I have applied something. So don't expect it to be too lightweight, like it will feel that you have applied something. I mean, yes, but there are few skincare products which we apply and we don't feel like it's so lightweight that we don't feel like we have applied something. It's just natural, it feels like natural, but this is not like that. It feels that we have applied something. So yeah, get ready for that also. Moving on to the smell. The smell is not very good, like it's so strong. I don't actually like the smell, and I find the most negative point for this sunscreen is that it has a very strong scent. Any of you out there who don't like smell or any kind of fragrance in a sunscreen, then this sunscreen is not for you, because the smell is very strong, like very strong. It's a no for me, like that. Just because of this smell, I think that I'll give a negative point to it, just because of the smell. And I'll show you this is the product. It's slightly tinted, like I have applied this. You can see I have actually applied this sunscreen in my face, all over my face, because I actually applied this sunscreen. I am using this sunscreen because yes, I don't like the scent, but still I'm applying this because I have to complete it. That's why. And I bought it not knowing that it has a very strong scent. So if you don't know about it, then I should tell you that it has a very strong scent. And it's slightly tinted, like I have actually applied this like 1 to 2 hours before, but then also after you apply this here and show you. One more thing, guys, which I like about this is that it does not leave a white patch, and it gets absorbed to the skin pretty fast. Like it will take less than 2 to 3 minutes to absorb, but yeah. So it's kind of good, and it does not leave a white patch, which is also a very good point for the skin. I mean, which is and also for this product, because it does not leave a white patch, and that is a great thing, because most of the products with this rate, like 200 rupees, they actually leave a white patch, which looks very bad. So that was all for this sunscreen, like everything you need to know. Like I'll just revise it and I'll tell you again the summary of it. It has a white patch. It does leave no white patch, like no white patch after you apply it. It does feel heavy after you apply it, like it feels that you have applied something on your skin, and it's not water resistant. I feel that it is written that it's water resistant, but I don't feel so it's water resistant, because I don't feel so it's water resistant. Yeah, maybe, like it's not 50 it's not fully water resistant. Like, yes, it's kind of resistant, but I will say only 50%. That's it. No more water resistant. And then it's not for all skin type, it's just for dry and combination max. That's it. I am a combination, so as I've already told you, so I've used it. And the fragrance part is the most worst part of this sunscreen, is that the scent is very strong. So if you don't like scent in sunscreen, then again I will say that don't buy it, because the scent is very strong. Otherwise, if you can bear the scent, like scent is okay of if you have applied this before and you find the scent is good. Like for me, the scent was worse. Like it's very bad, it's very strong. I don't like scents in sunscreen. But then if you feel like it's good, then you can of course go for it. It's good. Again, it has all kind of natural ingredients, so pretty much it's good. The ingredients have no chemicals or any other kind of things in it. So natural ingredients plus 50% water resistant, don't leave a white patch, stays for I think 4 hour max. And yeah, and I'm using this from the time I was having acne, so it's pretty much good for applying on acne. You don't get any kind of acne marks or anything like that, because you can see I have applied it. And prior using this, I was actually having acne, so now I don't have. So you can be, happy for that. And it's also very cheap. It is 200 rupees. When you get the product is actually up till here, I think. Yeah, up till here. So yeah, that much is good. And I think at 200 rupees, it's a great product. So apart from the smell, again I'll tell you, apart from the smell, everything is pretty good. It does not leave a white patch also. So that was all for this sunscreen, guys. Hope you liked my review. I'm giving you real review, like after applying it. So hope you liked it. Support me by subscribing to the channel, and give a like, thumbs up, and comment in the comment section how you liked about this video. And yeah, I will see you next week with another brand review. Till then, bye bye. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe down.